Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like up. For fans of American pickers, Frank Fritz's absence from the show has been a subject of much discussion and speculation. However, in recent months, the attention has shifted from his career to his well-being, as legal battles surrounding his conservatorship have taken center stage. Now, after concerns over financial mismanagement, a judge has finally made a ruling that could have major implications for Fritz's future. Fritz, who suffered a life-altering stroke in 2022, has been under a court-appointed conservatorship and guardianship to manage his medical care and finances. While intended to protect him, recent concerns arose about whether those entrusted with his care were truly acting in his best interest. With allegations of mishandled finances and lack of proper oversight, the court was forced to step in, and fans have been eagerly awaiting the outcome. This latest ruling has sent shockwaves through Fritz's supporters, leaving many wondering, what does this mean for Frank, and where does he go from here? The legal case surrounding Frank Fritz's conservatorship has been anything but smooth. Initially, the arrangement was put in place to ensure his medical, financial, and personal affairs were handled properly following his stroke. However, red flags were raised when reports surfaced that his conservator and guardian were allegedly mismanaging funds. While the specifics were not fully disclosed, sources close to the situation suggested that unexplained financial discrepancies and concerns over Fritz's long-term care prompted a deeper legal investigation. In cases like these, conservators and guardians are expected to act in the best interests of the individual, ensuring that their health and financial stability are protected. But when questions arose over money management and accountability, the court had no choice but to review the case and determine whether Fritz's legal representatives should be removed. After careful consideration and a full court review, the judge has made a final ruling, one that will keep Frank Fritz's conservatorship intact but introduce stricter financial oversight. While his current conservator and guardian will not be removed, the court has placed new measures to ensure that his funds are handled responsibly and that his well-being remains the top priority. A source close to the case stated, "The judge acknowledged that there were some concerns regarding financial handling, but determined that immediate removal was not necessary. However, additional oversight has been put in place to make sure that Frank's assets and care remain fully protected. For now, this ruling means that Frank Fritz will continue under his current conservatorship and guardianship, but with more safeguards in place. These measures may include more frequent financial reporting to the court, additional accountability for conservators, potential involvement of a third-party financial advisor to oversee Fritz's assets, regular wellness checks to assess his condition and care." While some of Fritz's supporters had hoped for a complete overhaul of his legal representation, others see this as a step in the right direction. The added oversight could mean better financial security for the American pickers alum while still allowing his current team to continue managing his affairs. As soon as news of the judge's ruling broke, fans of American pickers and supporters of Frank Fritz took to social media to share their reactions. Many expressed concern over the initial allegations and hope that these new financial protections will ensure Fritz is properly cared for. "I just want what's best for Frank. If they're not doing their job right, someone needs to step in. Why wasn't this caught sooner? He deserves better." Glad to hear they're keeping a closer watch on things, hoping Frank gets the care he needs. Others, however, were more skeptical, questioning whether simply adding more oversight is enough. If there were problems before, why are they still in charge? This just seems like a band-aid fix. Frank should be able to decide who manages his money and care. He didn't sign up for this. Regardless of where fans stand, one thing is clear: people still care deeply about Frank Fritz's well-being and want to see him receive the support he deserves. With the ruling now official, what comes next for Frank Fritz? As of now, his health remains a top priority. Following his stroke, his recovery has been slow but steady, and those close to him have assured fans that he is continuing to improve. There have also been ongoing rumors about whether Fritz could make a return to television in some capacity. While a comeback to American pickers seems unlikely, especially given his public fallout with former co-host Mike Wolfe, Some believe he could explore his own project, perhaps focused on antiques or his personal collecting journey. However, his ability to take on new projects largely depends on his health and his financial security. With this new ruling, he will hopefully be in a more stable position moving forward. Frank Fritz's legal battle has been a complicated and emotional journey, not just for him, but also for the fans who have supported him throughout the years. While the judge's ruling may not have been as drastic as some expected, it does signal a shift toward increased accountability and protection for Fritz's future. Whether or not this will be enough to prevent further concerns remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: Frank Fritz is not forgotten. His fans continue to rally behind him, and as he moves forward with his recovery, they'll be watching closely, hoping that this ruling will allow him to regain stability, security, and possibly even a new chapter beyond the legal battle.